What you reading, Eric?
About the little engine and the toys it brings. It's a birthday train, and tomorrow's my birthday.
A birthday train full of toys? I just can't believe you really believe that.
Sure I do. It'll come.
Don't hold your breath, because there's not going to be any little engines or birthday trains coming here.
It'll come. I know it will. I